Hi guys, welcome. Today we learn about functions. Function is used to store the code at single place and use it multiple times. Let us see how many types of functions we have. We have four types of functions. Functions without arguments and with return. What is argument? What is return? Argument is nothing but we pass values inside the function. Uh, and return is nothing but if a value is returned by the function. Next, let's see how without arguments and without return we can define a function. Here we are defining the function fun1 and printing the statement quick learn. Let's execute this and let's execute fun1. The quick learn is displayed. That means function 1 is stored. This print statement is stored in function 1, and whenever we call the function 1 we are getting the output. Next, coming to function 2. Function 2 is here we are using without arguments and with return function. Without argument is nothing is passed inside the function 2, but we are returning the string in fun2. Here we are returning the string quick learn in the fun2. Here the fun2 is executed and we are getting the returned value in variable string. Variable x is the returned value string is stored in variable x and we are printing the variable x. Let's execute this. Here we are getting quick learn. Here what happened is the function is executed and returned the string, that is quick learn, to x, and then we print the x. So we are getting quick learn. Next, functions with arguments and without return. Here we can give arguments here. In place of this position we can give an argument, that is s, and I want to print that argument. So let's execute. In fun3 fun3 function is executed. Now let's take the value as quick learn and execute the call the fun3 function with x. Here x is quick learn, and let's execute. We are getting quick learn because the print function in the fun3 is printing the s. Here s is quick learn, so we are getting the output as quick learn. Next, with arguments and with return. Here we are defining a function with s, giving the argument s and returning the argument with addition of Python into a new variable k, and we are returning the k. In this way the function is defined. Let's execute the function. After that I am giving an argument, that is x, to the function while calling, and the quick learn is passed into the function 4, and we are returning a a k, and returning the k value into y variable, and we are printing the y variable. Let's execute. Here we are getting quick learn Python. Here what happened? Function 4 is executed and it returned a k value, that is s plus Python, that is quick learn plus Python, that is returned to y, and it is printed. So we are getting the quick learn Python in the print statement. In this way the with arguments and with return function works. Next, handling of arguments in function. Predefined arguments. Predefined arguments is nothing but we define the arguments before we use we don't give the arguments at the call. We give the arguments predefined at the function definition only. Here the argument is 1 and the argument b is 2. Here let's execute this function. Here I am giving no arguments in fun5, but it's executed and giving this print statement as 3. This is nothing but a is 1, b is 2, a plus b is 3. That 3 is printed here. If we want to give the arguments, we can also give the arguments. Here I am giving the argument 4. It by default states that the a is changed to 4 and b is remains 2. Let's execute what happened. Here we are getting 6 because a is changed to 4. Here 4 plus 2 is 6. We are getting the 6 here. In this way, function with argument with giving an argument will override the predefined argument, that is a equal to 1. If you give two arguments, that is 4 and 5, 4 and 5 are overridden with a equal to 1 and b equal to 2, and we get the output as 4 plus 5, that is 9. Let's execute this. We are getting 9. If we give more than two arguments, it will show error because we are defining a function. We are only given as two arguments as input arguments. So the definition is, here we are getting error. Function takes from 0 to 2 position argument, but 3 is was given. Here this is the wrong thing. We given three arguments inside it, so the function is not executed. Next, multiple arguments. We should know about multiple arguments. Star A is used to store set of arguments, tuple of arguments, and star star B is used to store a dictionary arguments. Let's execute. Here I am giving 1 comma 2 comma 3 into the uh, function 6 defined, func 6 defined. It is giving us 1 comma 2 comma 3 as tuple. Here I am printing a is a tuple of numbers. Here I am getting the print a statement. Next I am giving f equal to 9, j equal to 40. It is considered as b. Here I getting the dictionary format f colon a with the key j and value 40. In this way, star a and star star b work in this is nothing but concept of multiple arguments in function. Guys, please do the exercise which mentioned in the description. Thank you and happy learning.